I've just finished work, so this is an after work treat. But I'm also going to the gym in a couple of hours, so I probably shouldn't be eating crisps. Everything in moderation though, right? Welcome back to my channel. So if you didn't know, I have decided to start making some bite-sized content to help people learn Scottish Gaelic. I know there's a little bit of interest in it at the moment, and I for one love to speak Gaelic, and I would love to be able to help anyone that I can learn, even if it's only a little bit. So today I thought we would go over saying hi, how are you? Which, you know, it's a good conversation starter. To start off with, people always think I'm being really cheeky. One of the first things I'm asked when I say I speak Gaelic, or when people find out that I speak Gaelic, is how to say hi. How do you say hello? Well, it's as easy as, instead of hello, it's hallo. So, hallo is how you would say hi in Gaelic. Hallo and hi. So for how are you, I've got two different ways. It's Ciamar a how. So that's Ciamar a how. Ciamar a how. And I think when you speak Gaelic, you can almost speed it up a little, so it sounds like a bit gobbledygook. Ciamar a how. Ciamar a how. But to slow it down, Ciamar a how. Ciamar a how. How are you? So that will be the most common way that you hear any Gaelic speaker say, how are you? That is how you would be taught in school. And also, I think if you're on friendlier terms with someone, or if you find that quite difficult to say, there is a more informal way to say how are you, and it's Gaidhlig. Gaidhlig. And that's more of a how you doing? How's it going? More informal, if you know what I mean. Rather than the Ciamar a how, you say Gaidhlig. So it's Ciamar a how. Ciamar a how. Ciamar a how. And Gaidhlig. 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 I'm going to leave it there. I don't want to overcomplicate things, but if there's anything that you're unclear about, please feel free to let me know below.